Welcome to I Got It Out the Soil. And today I'm just going to be cleaning up my yard a little bit. Some of the leaves and dead leaves that's on my plants, I'm going to be cleaning that. And because I don't have a big harvest of tomatoes, I'm going to be taking some of the ripened tomatoes off the trees as well. And I'm going to be doing all that in one video. Why every time I record, everything want to make noise? The train coming, the plane coming, like, I just can't be great. I just can't be great. But anywho, let's get started. Set y'all up right here. And I don't know if y'all can see these dead leaves that's on here. I got my handy dandy scissors. I'm just gonna cut. And this is my cucumber. I just took a cucumber off there. So that was short and sweet, wasn't it? That was short and sweet. But I got some more leaves I gotta cut. So let's go over here. So something light. Something light. AC gonna do it every time. The AC is gonna do it every time. Comment sound off below and let me know if you guys would like, with videos like this where I'm not really doing much in the garden, would you like for me to go live and do this? Maybe? No? Let me know in the comments. I don't think I have enough subscribers to be going live anyway, but I be trying to come up with like different type of content, and I'm like, dang, everybody be going live. I wonder should I go live? Let me know. Subscribers sound off in the comments and let me know if I should go live one day this week. Well, next week, because this is Friday. So let me know. Let's get back to cutting so y'all can see. So I'm gonna cut these damaged leaves. Yo, with being doing these videos, when you're doing structured videos, you gotta think of different content ideas, and sometimes, you know, stuff in the garden, you know, we're on the time of nature, you know, it's not on us. So sometimes stuff don't be, you know, ready or to pick, or, you know, different stuff like that. So I don't know, I just think it may be easier to just go live, but if nobody's gonna join my live, I wouldn't want to do that. So that's why I was asking for y'all to come in and let me know if y'all would like for me to go live one day next week or something. Maybe I'll do that. Oh, I got something else I want to share that I started, and I'm gonna share that here when I go and sit y'all down just to have a little talk. Just to have a little talk or something. Because I can talk now, you know. I can talk. So I'll find something to say, okay? I don't like how this leaf looks. I'm gonna cut that too. No one ever responded when I asked, should I cut, what would happen if I cut my strawberry leaves back since they're not in season? Nobody ever coming to let me know if that's gonna kill them, or is that part of what they call winterizing your strawberry crops? Somebody please let me know, because I really want to know the answer to that. And let me move so I can properly talk to y'all without the AC going in the background. Give me 1 second. Okay, melanin popping from that sun, you heard? So right here. Show you these tomatoes. A little bit that's getting red, you know. We got a little bit. Just a little bit. You can spot them if you tried. Okay, these tomatoes getting red, okay? Like that rain did them pretty good, so. Is that a worm? Okay, no. Okay. I might be able to do a little something. It ain't that much that need to be picked, so. They still growing. Tomatoes still growing, okay? I am in zone 7. What am I doing? I am in zone 7, 7A, if y'all didn't know. I'm in zone 7A. So it's still relatively hot. It was just, ooh, let me pull y'all up. My bad. Okay, for the ones who didn't know, I am in zone 7A, and it's still relatively hot. It was just 100 degrees, 2 days ago? In the double digits. It was 102. So it's still hot. So my tomatoes are still growing. My melons are still growing. I had a few melons pop up. So hopefully I can save that with my screen technique. Oh yeah, I'm meaning to show y'all, and I guess I'll show y'all at the end. Screening the melons actually work. I haven't had no other issues with the rodents or raccoons coming to eat my melon crops. So far it's been about, when was that? About a week and a half that I did that video, because that's the day I actually wrapped them. So yeah, and nothing has messed with them. They would have been gone the next night if they was getting to them. So I guess they tried, didn't succeed. So I found the trick to save my melons, and that's to wrap them in the window screen. So that'll help with the rodents. I did get a suggestion that you could put flour, sugar, and stuff like that, and they'll wind up dead because they can't, I guess, pass gas or anything. So they'll get bloated and eventually die. So I may try that trick as well. But I just didn't want dead rats in my garden. I didn't want to find like a dead rat or something like that, and then my dog get to it or something. But it was kind of like a natural thing that they eat. So I don't think, even if he got a hold of it, I don't even think he'll eat the rodent anyway. But I just wanted to do precautions because I do have animals, so with a dog. So yeah. Candy boy, you want to say hi to the people? You want to say hi to, I got it out the soil. Come here, buddy. Come here. You trying to chow down on some of that grass? He love rain and water. Come on, buddy. Come here. Say hello to the people. They want to see you. You ain't going to scream, are you? Say hello. Say, I got grass in my mouth because I love to eat grass. You don't want to do it? No? Okay. We're going to leave you alone, buddy. Okay, we're going to let you scrounge around. Yeah. He's so cute. He's so cute. Look, y'all. Look at him. He's penny. Hey, cutie man. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. That's all they gonna get. You ain't got none phone. Okay, well, he said he ain't had none for us. Okay. So let me get to picking these tomatoes. Let's see if y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can see this. Hopefully. Hope so. I'm not picking on this way, so I'm picking this way. Yeah, y'all can see. Y'all can see. Oh, no, you can't. I mean, this is not a tomato harvesting video, so I will show y'all though when I'm finished. It ain't much, but hey, I did tomatoes don't all ripen at the same time, so Not gonna get like a very big harvest, especially with the ones especially with the ones I planted, which was the cherry and the sweetie. So they're small. So let's get the picking though. These tomatoes. Let's see how good of a harvest it's gonna produce this time. So this will be my 4th time harvesting the tomatoes. I think 2 of them I didn't even get on camera because I was trying to hurry up and harvest it. So sorry about that, guys. But I gotten better on recording. So yeah. This is how much. Can y'all see that? Y'all see it. This is how much tomatoes I got. Like so. It's a little bit. It's a little some that I got. So yeah, not much. Not much. But it's something, and I'm okay with that. It's something I'm okay with that. It's the sun for me, honey. Let me know. I'm doing a cleanse, a 14-day cleanse, and let me know if y'all want details on that. I have been on it for, today is my day number 4. I have lost 5 pounds already. What else? Let me know if y'all want details on my cleanse. I'm doing a fruit and herbal cleanse. The cleansing package that I'm on is what is called the Big Flush. It is a colon cleanse, and I usually do detoxes twice a year. I have been off my game, and I'm gonna be honest, for about I haven't did a true detox for real. I usually do 21 days for I want to say 4 years. I have did a week detox in the past 2 years, but it was time for me to do a detox because I normally do my detoxes or cleanse, however you want to word it, twice a year. So I've been off, so I'm trying to start it back up again. And if y'all want to see the process of that, or like what I'm eating on my fruit fast, let me know, and I will create a video showing my 14-day what I eat in a day cleanse. So let me know if y'all want to see that. I'm going to close out this video. I wasn't doing much. I cut up some dead leaves off of my plants, and I picked some tomatoes that was ripening on the vine, or on the tomato tree, bush, however you want to call it. And that's it. So this is the end of the video, and until next time. Oh, I'm so sorry. I want to thank all my subscribers. I'm at 25 subscribers. To me, that is a win. Anybody that take out the time to watch my video is a win for me, and I would like to thank you so much for tuning in to I Got It Out the Soil, because you could do anything else, but you chose to spend your time with me here at I Got It Out the Soil. So thank you so much for that. I hope I'm doing a fantastic job with getting out these videos to you, and I hope you are enjoying the content that I am producing. So if I haven't said so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with all your friends and family to let them know that someone is getting out the soil no matter what. Turn on your notification bell, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Peace.